today we're going to be talking about two-step equations. So remember, with one-step equation, you've got to do the inverse operation. So if it's adding, you do subtracting. If it's subtracting, you do adding. So same kind of thing with two-step. But this time we're going to have two steps, or two different operations. So I always think about it like a present. So when I wrapped this present, there's nothing in it, just so you know, don't get excited. I had to wrap it, and then I had to put the bow on top. But if I'm undoing it, like the inverse, like solving an equation, you would have to take off the bow and then you would unwrap the present. So think about it as two-step equations. You've got to undo one step and then you've got to undo the next, the inverse operation. So most of the time your bow is going to be your adding and subtracting. You're going to undo, do the inverse operation. Then you have what's left, which is a one-step equation, usually with multiplying and dividing. So I was thinking about it. What's my bow? My adding and subtracting. Undo that, get what's left, and then undo that step. So hopefully that helps you to understand two-step equations. You've got to undo the bow, the adding and subtracting, then unwrap the present, the multiplying and dividing. Again, making sure that you still have your balance of your equations, so you're drawing your line down your middle just like you would with one step, but this time it's with two steps. So you'll draw your line, undo, do the inverse of the bow, and then undo or unwrap the present, which would be the multiplying and dividing. So now go ahead and watch the next video on how to solve them and practice, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.